Man, have we got so many Scary Farm and Spooky Farm updates for every single one of you guys. And also, some new food has just dropped here at Knott's Berry Farm. So, let's not waste any more time. If you're ready, I'm ready. It's time to get the update started. Let's go. All right, look at this. The marquee is almost ready. Almost ready. If you actually can pinpoint just about right about here, it's gonna be the brand new Legacy front for Scary Farm. Oh yeah, the pumpkins have returned at the most epic fountain ever. Holy cow, dude. So cool to see the pumpkins back. Yes! Super loud inside of Knott's Berry Farm today, probably because the attendance was pretty low. They like to crank up the music. We walked into Ghost Town and man, they got a massive overhaul. There's skeletons everywhere, all throughout Calico. That was so cool. I was actually anticipating the cobwebs, but unfortunately there's no cobwebs there. Explain to me why she has a pencil. See, this is why you don't chew on your pencil, because it has lead. This guy probably passed away from too much cider of apples. And there's a lantern. All right, the spider webs are coming up, guys. Look at the cocoons are here. So this is going to be what they call an activation for one of your lanterns. That's right. If you definitely come on by here, right next to Calico River Rapids, you can definitely activate your lantern here. It's Mr. Whittles. Hey, how are you doing today? Oh, you know what's even scarier? What's happening over there? I think there may be a spider going around here. Not here, not for you, Mr. Whittles. You gotta make sure you're safe, okay? But are you ready for Spooky Farm? That's right, so am I. Well, it's always good to see you, Mr. Whittles. Oh, we love you too. So another part that we definitely saw for Scary Farm was back over at the Goreing 20s, they brought back the newspapers, the newsstands. That was great. They brought back the florist. You can definitely see the undead looking florist there. Oh, I cannot wait, man. I cannot wait. And also we had it inside of the factory. All right, so I think Kevin's just out of the blue on what's going on here, but oh my gosh, one of the skeleton workers just drank himself some devil's elixir. Okay, all right. I may be the one that's gonna be crazy, but I think I kind of want to try a devil's elixir. Oh, the only thing that's scary is this right here. Come on, guys. Nobu necklace. There you go, guys. If you're looking for a Nobu necklace, ugh, I don't know. There's mixed feelings about this, but if you're looking for a Nobu necklace, here it is. All right, but there's no booze about it. Right here, they're preparing. That's right. Oh my gosh. Look at the berry factory. It's preparing. You're gonna see wall to wall and pillar upon pillar of amazing art displays. So get ready. We do know a couple of my friends who are gonna be actually contributing to this as well. So this is a good sign. Oh dude, Malice in Wonderland. Boo, look at this. Holy cow, dude. Okay, all right. This shirt wins them all, dude. See, that's the one thing I love about this, man. Those are posters. It's the Tombstone posters, dude. Dark Entities 2018 to 2023. That's going away, which we kind of thought it was going away last year, but it's back. That's right. Look at Johnny 5 is coming back. I know it's my own opinion in general, but the depths was one for the books, man. I love the depths. I love the story behind it. I love every bit of this story, dude. It is one truly like no other. I love the Kraken, and I also love when they actually at the very end they have sharks out of water. Dude, I'm gonna miss this. I'm gonna do a full coverage as much as I possibly can before this goes away. And don't worry, they got some buttons, guys. Look at, come on out and find your buttons. Look at, I found a Knott's 50th button right here. You can find some buttons if you guys like. And oh, see this one stood out for me. The Ghost Town Streets. Yeah. Boo. Yes. Look at that, man. So Even at the Legacy store itself here, you can definitely get some of these booths, but here at Cordy's Corner, you can definitely get some Scary Farm spookiness. All right, so let's head on in to Cordy's Corner and let's see what we find, guys. All right, so here we thought the Legacy store was gonna be the prime spot to get yourself a limited edition Loungefly backpack. That is not right, dude. Look at these. We got some Loungefly backpacks here. We got the Scary Farmopoly. Oh, this shirt is truly forsaken. All right, so do you go pleather or do you go the Adventurez with David way? That's right, a canvas hat. This 50th Not Scary Farm is really small compared to what they have here at the pleather one. Oh no, truly wrong. This one right here is what you guys need. Look at this Scary Farm hat, dude. From Grimoire to the Chilling Chambers, and this one I'm excited about. The Forsaken at the Forsaken Lake. And a favorite and an all-time favorite, man, the Ghost Town Streets. We have Carnival, yeah. The Goreing 20s. We got Waxworks. We got my favorite Shark Out of Water, the Depths. We have Mesmer and Room 13. See, if you love the centerpiece so much, you can definitely take some home. It's so cool. And it's only $19.99. Okay, retro eats your heart out. This Elvira shirt is something you guys really need to definitely check out. Here we go, look at that. That is awesome. Okay, so all you enthusiasts that are not Scary Farm enthusiasts, well, if you know, you know. So I remember we were talking to a lot of other people regarding, you know, bringing back the Not Scary Farm. That's right, look at this. Vintage right here, dude. I'm not too fond of the cockroaches in your shirt, but I do love the design that they have here, and it even glows in the dark. All right, so I know my daughter has a tree year-round. It's right here. We got some ornaments for you guys. Okay, so let's not forget about the kiddos. That's right. It is going to be also Knott's Spooky Farm, dude. Now, they know they are currently in construction, but this right here is truly not to miss. Whether you're an adult or a kid and you want to celebrate something fun during the day, this right here, you guys need to go on out and scope out. It's so much fun. This is what I was mentioning to Snoopy. His little outfit, dude. If you guys haven't seen Snoopy's outfit whenever he dresses for Halloween, it's so cute. That's okay. Charlie Brown even gets in on it too. Look at that. Fantastic. Aw, and even his little best friend. See, this is when you know you have a best friend. When you have your own best friend Woodstock dressed just like you. Definitely, man. If you guys don't want to stop by the Legacy store, definitely stop by Cordy's Corner. Let's take a minor break from all these updates that are happening in Calico and definitely check out the Fireman's Brigade. Now, they do have a new menu item. They took out, from what I hear, they took out the flank steak and they actually put in the pulled pork sandwich, which we definitely got here. Nicely done, man. Presentation, I would say, is a 6 out of 6. All right, so I did get barbecue sauce, and it's really cool. They got the bullseye barbecue. All right, here we go, guys. Bottoms up. So the sandwich itself. Now, will that sandwich beat over at the Boardwalk Barbecue? Close to that. I would say that would be close to a 4 out of 6. I love me some coleslaw, guys. If you are looking for something cooling, definitely get yourself some coleslaw. Oh, what in the world? Hey, Chuck. Oh my gosh, it is great to see you at the Walter Knott Theater, man. Now, wait a minute. Are you ready for Scary Farm or are you ready for Spooky Farm? Oh, it's always so great to see you, Chuck. Well, look who we found here. Someone who's gonna wear a Nobu necklace.
This guy.
There's Ash. What's up?
Destination map.
Are you guys?
And the mischievous Ashley's downstairs.
Are inside there.
Inside.
Hey, Ashley. Are you guys ready for Not Scary Farm? Scary Farm! Okay, so we also stopped by the StageCoach. Come on. Adventurez of David always wants us to definitely check out the StageCoach and see what's above, kind of below. But yes, we wanted to see what the Chilling Chambers, what's gonna bring. And there is a lot, and I mean a lot, of updates happening at the Chilling Chambers. We definitely got a knight in shiny armor. We got a vehicle that's upside down, the Chupacabra. I believe, I don't know if I caught it or not, but there's a little plank that had a little happy face in it. So fun. Most of the details are starting to get more and more. It looks like really Knott's Berry Farm is doing a phenomenal job. I mean, my friends are right. They're closing early. There's a massive overall happening, so they have enough time to do more of the updates. But yeah, so cool at the Chilling Chambers. Now another one is Camp Snoopy. There's a lot of moving parts at Camp Snoopy. We rarely ever see the workers there working, so this time we definitely saw them working. We're still speculating that it's gonna be a Snoopy type kids roller coaster that they had back in Canada's Wonderland. Oh, close. Another update was right there. It's Forsaken Lake. Yes. Now we know a ghoulish friend that's gonna be walking around scaring everyone for the Forsaken season. It's so cool. Now we definitely saw all of the small little updates. Oh, don't scare me, David. Jeez, he almost no-booed me. I'm gonna wear a no-boo necklace just for that, okay? Just kidding. But yes, there is a lot of different types of updates. Now, Ash was right. We were talking about this and looking at Forsaken Lake. If they had a cover like they did over in Calico, that one right there would be pretty solid because it would keep a lot of the fog inside of Forsaken Lake, and you wouldn't see the monsters coming to scare you. I found where the boo's gonna be at. Oh, look at the booth! Ah! Oh yeah, look at this right here. This is where a boo is gonna come out and scare the ever-living soul out of you. I love how they have different parts of it, so the monsters can be on the floor, monsters can be inside. I know, some of the doors were open. I was like, ooh, the monsters are inside. We got more lanterns. Now, one thing that should have been talked about is right here where the Calico River Rapids meets Pony Express, is that this is a missed opportunity to scare people. Maybe it's a no-boo scare zone. Oh my gosh, Potts, we found Coulter. Oh, it's Snoopy. How are you doing today? Oh man, I know you don't have your hard hat today for Camp Snoopy being under construction, but it's scary farm time. Yeah, are you ready? Wait a minute, you know what's scarier? You're in the sun. You're not supposed to be in the sun, Snoopy. Okay, all right, that's better. That's better. A little tad spooky out here in the sun. Well, it's always great to see you, Snoopy. Can I get a quick picture? As much as I loved going out and definitely checking out Summer Nights, now it has returned. The carnival is gonna be here, and also we're definitely preparing for the Wheel of Death.
Give me the power.
It must get pretty packed here because look, now they actually have a sign that says Legacy Entrance.
Spirits, fiends, ghosts and ghouls swarm around.
Hiya, Fringies. I'm interrupting this regularly scheduled broadcast to share that I'm keeping the slimy walls of the Chilling Chambers especially rotten for you to celebrate the 50th anniversary of Knott's Scary Farm. Good riddance and bad night.
Today we definitely saw a lot of updates regarding Ghost Town, Goreing 20s, Calico River Rapids. We saw Camp Snoopy, Forsaken Lake, and also we definitely got to see some merchandise. Usually with Adventurez David, we don't really do a lot of merchandise, but I had to definitely show you the Scary Farm and Spooky Farm merchandise. And also we tried some new foods. So cool. I actually want to tell you guys, I was actually wrong. that food in general is a straight 6 out of 6. I finished it and I loved every bit of it. It didn't fill me as much. Definitely recommend that to every single one of you guys. Now, if you guys thoroughly enjoyed this adventure, make sure you guys do give us some thumbs up. Now, make sure you right now is a perfect opportunity to subscribe to Adventures with David, because we have so much in store for you, and we're definitely going to be coming back a lot of times for some update videos so you guys can plan out your day better here for Not Scary Farm. And now we are onward to the next fun and spooky adventure. Let's go. Boo.